Welcome in today's video, and we are going to show you how to create a TikTok in Canva. This will be a full guide and we will show you how to import clips, how to add subtitles and also how to use the text-to-speech feature in Canva. So let's dive straight into it. The first step is go to canva.com, and after that we will use the search bar over here, and there we will type in TikTok. And as you can see, we can search for TikTok. Do that. Now you will see a lot of templates showing up. If you click on see all those 10,000 templates are showing up. So click on that, and if you don't have an idea in your mind yet what you want to make, then choose a template, but for now we will choose a blank video. The next step is to upload media into this video design. And what we will do, we will go to pexels.com. That is basically a copyright-free video platform. You can download videos from there without any copyright issues. So go to there, pexels.com, and once you are there, select videos. Now let's say car. We want a video of a car. So this will be a nice one, but we have also the function to filter. Use the filter option, select all orientations and then go to vertical because we want to make a vertical video. And now you can see we have a vertical video. Let's choose this one. We will download it, and once you have downloaded it, then you can go to canva.com and there we will import our design. So drag it to Canva, and as you can see it will be uploaded now. Once it's uploaded, resize it to the Canva size, and now you have selected the video. You also have the option to add filters. So if you click on this video and then click on edit, then you get a lot of filters to choose from. Let's say we would like to make it a little bit grayish, so like this. As you can see, now we have added a filter to this video. The next step is to add text. Let's select some text to add to it. Now go to text on the left side and you can add a text box in here. So we will make it a little bit bigger by dragging this point of the text. And let's say we would like to add on my way to my goals. So the next step is to create a certain font. You can choose out of all these fonts. Let's choose a nice font for this text. You can also select uppercases and then center the text in the middle of the design. If you would like to make this text more visible, you can use the bold function. For this font it is not available, but you can use other effects. If you click on effects, once you have selected the text, you can add outlines like this. If you would like to add an outline, then just select the color and you can change it in thickness. If you are planning to use a voiceover in this video, then go to a text-to-speech app. For the next step we will scroll a little bit down, go to apps, and then we will type in text-to-speech. Enter, and we will choose the second one. This one is a free version. So now you can add your text. Let's say on my way to my goals. Now you can select the voice style, and as you can see we have different options. I choose a male one for this one. Now preview your sound. Once you are happy with the result, generate the audio, and now you can add it to this video. What we can do now is match the video length to the audio. You can basically drag this line towards the left side and then you will make the video a lot shorter. But you can time it however you want. The next step is to add some audio to it. You got some options within Canva to add audio to the background. We will add it to the timeline. You can drop the music and now you can place it under the timeline. You also can change the part of the music by just selecting it. So if you now click on it, then you can drag this line and you can change the timing of the music. Once you are done, then we can download this video. Download it to a MP4, and you always want to create the highest possible quality, so you can select to 4K if you got the Pro version, but for now I will leave it on 1080p. Then download this video. So once the downloading is finished, then you can go to tiktok.com and then click on upload. Upload your video to this part and follow the steps to upload a new TikTok with using Canva. Thank you for watching, hopefully this video was very helpful and don't forget to like and subscribe.